In this video, we will be replacing the third brake light, or the high center mount brake light, in this 2003 Toyota Camry. When stepping on the brake pedal, the third brake light, or the center high mounted stop light, does not illuminate. Looking through the rear window of the vehicle, we can see that third brake light housing. And to gain access to our bulb, we will want to move inside the vehicle. With that housing, we want to push inward slightly on the back and lift it straight up. And then we will wiggle it out towards us. If we take a look at the underside, we can see our wiring harness for our bulb. Rotating that counterclockwise and wiggling it out will allow us to remove that bulb, and we can then work that bulb out of the socket. The bulb that I pulled out was a C906. That is about a 9-watt bulb. This vehicle actually calls for a 921 bulb, which is about 18 watts. So this should be a little bit brighter bulb than the previous one. Again, obviously the previous one was burned out. And I always like to double check just to make sure that the new part looks about the same as the old part. This one's looking good. And we'll insert the new bulb into the socket. We will put the socket back into the housing. Quarter turn to lock it in. Set the back portion of the housing in first, and then snap that front end down. And then we can test out our bulb. And everything seems to be looking pretty good.